What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World of Vegas, coming right back at you with another room tour. This time we are at Planet Hollywood in an ultra hip king room. Let's go check it out. All right, walking in, your entryway. Got an art piece, just like most everywhere. So, Planet Hollywood, the ultra hip room, this is their standard room. And it is rather basic, not a whole lot of frills. Little desk area, TV, which is pretty standard in hotel rooms these days. A bonus, and a lot of the lower tier Caesars properties actually have their own mini fridge, which is commendable. You're not gonna find that at places like Bellagio or Aria. Got some drawers for storage if you need that kind of thing. Closet, that's going to be where you find your safe, your luggage rack, your ironing board, that kind of stuff. Unless you're here on business, I don't think you're going to be here long enough to actually use that. But this is your bedroom area. Nice king size bed. Nothing too special about that. Little chase lounge by the window. And another dining area, if you will, by the bed. So I think the real star of this room is the bathroom. The bathrooms at Planet Hollywood are larger than most of the lower tiered resorts. And they're actually kind of nice. Obviously, with the large soaking tub being the centerpiece. I love the decorative tile backsplash. Single vanity sink, backlit mirror, which is nice. Independent water closet. And it does not have an independent exhaust fan. And your standard plain white stand-up shower. Not too bad. So the bathrooms are like I said, they're bigger here than most of the lower tiered resorts. They're a little nicer. And as you know, for me, the bathroom is one of the biggest draws for a room. But a little bit about Planet Hollywood in itself, as far as the check-in process and basically getting what you asked for. So I booked this room on a comp through my Caesars Rewards, and which for a Friday night, that's actually a pretty good deal, especially NASCAR weekend. But there is no in-person check-in unless you are 7 stars or platinum or whatever the higher tiers are. Everything is automated, which basically you can't really request high floor. You can put that information in your reservation, but without somebody at the desk to actually acknowledge that, you're not going to get it. So when I went to check in, I was disappointed to find that I had to check in on a computer. And I was given the 9th floor, which I prefer the highest floor possible for my room type, and didn't get it, but whatever. It's our last night in Vegas. It's not a big deal to me. It's just a room. And the 9th floor rooms also come with a beautiful view of rooftop, which, whatever. We're really just here for the bed. But that's the room. This is a Planet Hollywood ultra hip. Oh, and that's another thing. Checking in early. Checking in early at this property in particular, a lot of Caesars properties, I've had no good luck checking in early complimentary. I was charged, or I was given the option to check in, and I got here at about a little after 12 noon. I had to pay $30 to get into the room, which on a comp, didn't really bother me much. But now you know, there is no complimentary free early check-in. So anyway, this is Planet Hollywood Ultra Hip Standard King Room. This is what you get. Thanks for watching. We'll speak to you guys soon.